sure you all know that Facebook groups are a great way to promote websites, affiliate links, products, pretty much anything. The only problem is Facebook hates spammers, so if you try to post too often or too quickly, Facebook will stop you posting or they will ban you. That's why I thought it would be great if there was software that would let you auto-post Facebook groups, but you could do it in a way that wouldn't get you banned. So that's why I created my latest plugin. FB Promotion Press is a WordPress plugin that allows you to auto-post promotional messages to Facebook groups, but it lets you do it in a safe way that you can be sure you won't get banned. So let's take a look at the plugin. As you can see, you can search through hundreds of different Facebook groups. In this case, I'd search for internet marketing and come up with 223 different groups I can post in. I do things in the Forex niche, so if I just have a look for Forex, we can see again 233 different Forex groups, and we can cycle through the pages here and we can see there's hundreds and hundreds of different groups that we can post on. And with FB Promotion Press we can auto post to as many different groups as we want, so you could have literally hundreds or thousands even of different groups posting different messages automatically in a safe, reliable method that you can be sure won't get you banned. So let's take a look at the sort of messages we can post to these groups. You can see in this message set called Internet Marketing, I've posted several different messages, each with its own affiliate link and link anchor text. We can also upload images to be posted in the messages, so for example an image like this would appear, and we can do that with the usual WordPress image upload interface. You can have as many different message sets as you want, so you can promote many different niches. So I've got an internet marketing message set, I've also got a Forex one, or I could create a new one at any point, say iPads. Now, to make things even easier for you guys and to stop Facebook from thinking you're spamming, any messages that you create in your message sets rotate. So after each auto posting it'll move on to the next message, and you can see that's why the green box is here, because that is the currently active message. After that one's been posted, well, that one's empty, so it'll go back to the top and it'll just iterate through these messages each time an auto post occurs. So let's take a look at some examples of auto posted messages. So if we head over to the history, we can here see a history of all the different messages that we've auto posted using this plugin. We can see the time they were sent, we can see the Facebook group they were sent to, and we can see the status of that post. So if you ever have any problems with Facebook thinking that you're spamming and thinking that you're posting too often, it'll show up here. So that means you can tailor your posting schedule to exactly what information you're getting back from Facebook. So anyway, let's have a look at one of these recently posted groups. We scale down a bit. There we can see just a few minutes ago my recently posted, auto posted message promoting a product. So if we now head over to the scheduler, we can now see messages that are scheduled to be auto posted. Now I've only got 4 auto posted here, but you can easily add hundreds, even thousands of messages to this queue. We can see which message set it's using, and we can change this at any time. We can see what time it's scheduled to go, and this is the really clever part, and this is what makes this plugin so valuable, and that's that you can instantly reschedule all your messages. So even if you had hundreds or even thousands of messages here, you can reschedule them all at any time. So if I wanted to be a bit braver, I could reschedule this to send every 30 minutes. And you can see it's instantly rescheduled with a 30-minute gap between each one. And this is really valuable because using the information that we get in the history here, if we get some information in this status coming back from Facebook telling us that, oh, we think you're spamming, we think you're posting too much, we can just head over to the scheduler and select a greater interval. So if we've been posting at every 5 minutes and we start getting some error messages saying, oh, you're posting too often, we can just go here and say, right, okay, well, I'll just post every 2 hours instead. And this means you can adapt to what information you're getting back from Facebook instantly, and you can always post at the fastest rate Facebook will allow you to. Now, there's a few other great features in this plugin that I haven't talked about, but what I want to show you is if we head back to the search groups, this is where you can where you can search through all the different Facebook groups to promote in, we've got some options at the top that let you grab IDs. Now, you've probably seen a few other softwares around that lets you grab the user IDs from Facebook groups, but what you probably haven't seen is this. If I just click this one button, it will grab all of the IDs from all 233 of these Forex groups with the click of one button. So there's no more faffing around grabbing the IDs from one group, grabbing the IDs from the next, grabbing the IDs from the next, and adding them all to a big list. If you just click this one button, and we'll do that now, so it processes for a minute or two because, hey, there's a lot of IDs being grabbed here, and I'll show you just how many in a moment. And I've just skipped ahead now a minute or two to let that finish processing, and you can see that we have just grabbed over 300,000 user IDs related to the Forex niche. Now, without going into this too much here, there's a few different things you can do with these IDs, but probably the best thing is to get really cheap Facebook advertising. So I'll just quickly show you how this works. Now, I've just created a new Facebook ad here, and this is just the normal Facebook ad creation tool. And you can see once you've got some IDs written to various files, you can start using custom audiences and get advertising incredibly cheap. So I've created a few different ones here, and just in this example it's a Nintendo and retro gaming list of IDs, and I've got 54,000 people in it, and I can advertise to them at just 1 cent per 1,000 impressions. That's incredibly cheap. Okay, so that's just a few of the different things you can do with my new plugin. I hope you enjoy it.